Heston with 23Zero, and today we will be installing this Breezeway 72 on this space trailer. For today's install, we are going to use a 10mm socket, a 13mm socket, 10mm wrench, 13mm wrench, a ratchet, and some white lithium grease. We use stainless steel hardware. This is going to prevent it from seizing up on you. To start, we're going to remove the lid of the box. And that is going to reveal the tent. You're going to have a piece of cardboard here that you're going to take off as well. Having two sawhorses will be your best friend during this. Gets the tent off the ground and makes install a lot easier. To start, you have 4 straps on the outside. If you're anything above a 56 will have 2 straps. You're going to want to undo these guys. And then on the sides, on each side, you'll have 2. This one will be double looped like a motorcycle helmet, so we'll undo that. And same thing on the other side. From here, you can prop the tent up and get inside to grab all of your hardware. Inside of your tent, you will find an anti-slip mat for your ladder, your transit cover, window pulls, a mounting kit, and your ladder. If you have a Walkabout series tent, you will also find a snow pole in there. That's to support snow on the ladder overhang. So this is going to be your mounting kit. Inside of the mounting kit, you're going to find your bungees, ladder mounts, supporting hardware, your slide plates with your bolts and nuts on them for mounting your tent, the 4 mounting clamps, 2 wrenches, one side's a 10mm, one side's a 13mm, and your ladder rail caps. So your ladder brackets are going to sit on these holes here. There's 4 holes drilled in the aluminum framing of your tent. One will go there, the other will go there. You then have bolts, 4 of them with 2 washers and a nut. Take that apart, keep 1 washer on. That bolt will then go through the bottom and up through the hole, washer and nut. For the ladder brackets, we have a 10mm nut and a 10mm bolt. You're going to take 1 wrench on the bottom side and then the 10mm on the top and tighten those down. Okay, from here we are going to take the bolts on the ladder brackets, take those off. You're going to have a plastic washer and 2 washers. You're going to take 1 washer, put it on the bolt, put the bolt through, take the plastic washer, put that in, and then go through the ladder, washer, and nut. These are also 10mm, so you can use the same tools you were using before. So now that your ladder is installed, we'll put these straps back on loosely. This strap here is for your ladder to prevent bouncing while you're moving. So we can put that on. You're going to go through them both and then back through the bottom one like a motorcycle helmet. Tighten that down, and then we'll put our cover straps back on. Okay, so we're now going to lift it onto the trailer so we can mount it up. So we're going to take the mounting bolts and the white lithium grease and spray it on now. So from here, once you put it up, you're going to offset your tent to the side that it's going to open off of. This is going to make it easier for you to slide your transit cover in, as well as an annex if you opted for that option. For mounting, we're going to take our bolt and slide it into the channel, and we'll do this for all 4. From here, we're going to take our mounting plate and put it on the bolts. On this plate, you have 4 holes drilled, so you can adjust based on your crossbar width. This one, we're going to use the 2 inside holes. We'll put it on, Grab a washer and a nut. Thread the nut on. Same thing for the other side. And there you go. We will then from there take our 13mm wrench or ratchet, no electric tools, and we'll thread those up and tighten it down. Okay, we're now gonna slide our cover into this sail track here on the side that your tent opens on. This will slide all the way down, and it's easier with 2 people, but it's just me, so we'll make it work. But feed it through, slide it down. And now your cover is secured. After this, we'll take the cover, toss it over. Make sure that none of the corners are snagging like this one wants to. If that happens, unbuckle that Velcro, shift it around a little bit, and that will drop right on. And then from there, we'll zip it up, make sure everything's strapped on, and you're all good to go. Before you throw your cover on, make sure these guys are on and double looped like a motorcycle helmet. Your cover straps, same thing. Every strap on this tent, double loop like a motorcycle helmet, and you'll be good to go.